Hello, VOLO people. Today is our second episode of VOLO Today. I'm Brian, your host for today, and the topic we're gonna talking about is why invest in Bitcoin and Ethereum. First, let us welcome our returning guests, Christine and Robert. It's been a while since we last met, and unfortunately, Pete couldn't join us today. So, how have you been, guys?
Hey Brian, it's been a while.
Thanks for having us back again.
Welcome. So today we're talking about crypto, especially the most popular Bitcoin and Ethereum. Are you all familiar with Bitcoin? I remember Robert mentioned last time he already invested in VOLO's crypto fund management and we're doing well.
Yes, I said that in the last show. VOLO's crypto asset management has been doing an amazing job for me, and looking at the stellar performance, I invested even more into the account. It helped me to make more profit since we last met.
Well, I've definitely heard of Bitcoin. It is always on the headlines of the investment news. Likewise, I stopped myself from spending and used the fund to put into VOLO's crypto asset management accounts and made some decent profit as well.
What is your opinion on them and why did you decide to invest in cryptocurrency?
If you tell me about crypto a few years ago, I would imagine it is some sort of currency of an underworld banking system. But now, I can see it on publications and news websites. I think it is the great addition to my investment portfolio. Not only it is remarkably convenient, the profit potentials are also really huge.
I was introduced to Bitcoin a few years ago, but I never really get to know about it. Now, not until I arranged a one-to-one appointment and consultation with my account manager at VOLO, I have decided to give it a shot. Turns out it was one of the best decisions I had made in investments.
Great. If you were keeping tab on the news, Bitcoin shot up to nearly 65,000 in May and Ethereum was nearly 4.2 thousand. I bet both of you are excited with that.
Yeah, when I started investing in Bitcoin market with VOLO, it was only sitting at around 20,000 like that. The price hike in May was a big takeaway for me. I even managed to afford to take my family on a trip to Japan to watch the recent Olympics. Sadly, pandemic stopped my plans.
I too had a great run with my crypto investment ventures. Since we last met, I decided to take a venture into Bitcoin and Ethereum through the VOLO's crypto asset management, and returns were impressive. My returns are averaging at 10% minimum, or sometimes it is going up to 15 or 20%. When Bitcoin and Ethereum peaked in May, I made nearly 25% returns on the capital and I invested in. The profits were stellar.
That's great to hear. I'm glad things have been working out so well for both of you.
To be completely honest with you, this venture had been a bit of a gamble for me. Business wasn't doing too great with all the pandemic stuff going on, and I was just barely getting my every month. So this turn of events has been a real God's gift.
Awesome. Thanks for the sharing, Christine. It's been our company's motto to help our clients with their investments. Do you guys have anything else you'd like to add?
No.
That's it.
Well then, that's all for today. Thank you all for participating in our second episode of VOLO Today.
Thank you.
And thanks to our viewers as well. Hope we will meet again on VOLO.